Hey, welcome back to Practical Tools Explained. Today I'm looking at Pictory. Turn your blog posts into YouTube videos without filming a single second. I've spent some real time with it, so there are 3 things worth knowing about Pictory. URL to video. Paste any blog post URL and Pictory generates a complete video. Stock footage, captions, and voiceover automatically. One article becomes one YouTube video in under. My scores. I gave ease of use a 90, features a 80, value for money 80, and support 70. Solid across the board, especially for the price. Things I genuinely liked. Fastest tool available for turning written content into video. Nothing else is close. No filming or editing skills required at any stage of the process. URL to video works on any. I'm giving Pictory a 8 out of 10. If you're serious about AI video creation, it's worth trying. Link to get started free is in the description.